Now you guys see what I mean every morning, having no windshield wipers. Oh, she's having a hard time today, man. It's also pretty cold. I honestly think I should just have waited for my fuel pump to put on some pressure, but whatever. So hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to change up some new braking for the Firebird. So hope you guys gonna enjoy the video. Leave a like and subscribe down below if you're new to the channel, and let's go. There we go guys, so the car's in the garage ready to get the new brake. So this right here guys is the new brakes that we're going to be installing. It is Hawk Performance, race proven and street legal pads. Isn't that just great? Superior stopping power. This should be make the stopping distance of the original brakes up to 40% like shorter. So for the brake disc themselves, or like the disc brakes or disc hubs or whatever you want to call it, this is like the full hub on the car, whatever. We got some, I don't even know what company these are actually from. I'm not sure because it didn't say on the website. They just said it was the best like standard replacement ones or whatever. Because honestly, yeah, I would like to go full send and buy some expensive ass disc brakes and Willwood setup and all that, but I don't have the cash. So we got some really nice machined right here CNC ones, which are freaking awesome. I mean, the quality is great and everything, and yeah, they're just nice. Aren't they nice? I think they're pretty nice. So the first thing we're just gonna do is basically get the calve up, which is these two bolts right here. And then next, so we just got the nut off right here, and the bearing looks a little bit worn out, but actually still looks in pretty good shape. So I think we're still good to use that. And then we're gonna of course get the caliper off, and then we can get the whole hub out. So let's do that. There we go, the top bolt is off, and then we're gonna try to see if we can get the bottom one off. There we go, we got the first one out, and actually it looks pretty damn nice, and already got some kind of lubricant on for, like, I don't know, last owner who got it out. Now we can also take the hub off, as so. So there we go guys, now we're putting on the new hub itself that we're gonna get on like that. There we go, very nice. Then we're gonna need the front bearing, and there we go, then we're gonna put the bearing in here. Very nice. And then we of course have the little nutty nut here. Now to anyone who's doing the like first bearing or whatever on an American car like this, where you like squeeze the bearings, you basically want to squeeze them just enough so the wheel like spins nice, like probably like, I'll show you, I'll try to show you. It isn't that hard actually. I just watched a YouTube video myself to be, I guess, absolutely sure on how to do it. Cause you want to get it right, of course. And I mean, you might be watching this video trying to learn too. So I'll try to teach a little bit. So I think it sits pretty nice right there actually. And then of course don't forget your safety split, because that is pretty damn important. Otherwise you might just gonna lose a wheel one day, I guess. And look at this one. The pad is literally starting to crack all over the place, so I'm pretty glad I'm changing these out. The thing you want to do is take your sliders and put some of the grease on. This basically makes the slider slide. Funny enough, I guess. So you just want to get it all up in there. Oh yeah. So there we go guys, we got the new disc-less hubs on and pads. It was a little bit tight fit, like I had to press the brake piston all the way back using this one, which is basically like, the more you tighten this, the more it like squeezes out. So you put that in between the piston or whatever, so it like squeeze the piston all the way out, right? We got some nice red lubricant, grease, whatever, for the sliders and stuff like that, and it should run all nice now. It kinda like, I wouldn't call it stock right now, but like it's basically because we have so much new material right now to grind down and stuff like that, that it's kinda sits a little bit sticky right now, which is okay because it's not a tiny bit. It's not like it's impossible to turn. If it is impossible to turn, you should probably check if you've done something wrong, because that might be something you've, I don't know, squeezed or something. But this looks pretty good and feels pretty good, so hopefully it's gonna run real nice. So the thing we're gonna do now is go out on the road and brake in the brakes. So first you're gonna go up to 30 miles per hour 6 times and brake like as you would normally without stopping, coming to a complete stop, keep the wheels rolling. Then you go up to, I think it was 50 miles per hour and do the same thing. And after that you should have done like the braking for the pads and the discs. So I'm gonna do that.